Hi everyone, see this problem. Here the speed of sound in air is given as 330 meters per second. So then how can you find the maximum and minimum wavelength of audible sound in air? So what is the audible sound and what is the frequency range? So we know that audible frequency range is from 20 Hz to 20 kilohertz. This is the audible frequency. So this is the minimum frequency, this is the maximum frequency, but here we want maximum and minimum wavelength. We know that lambda equal to V by frequency. So here V is 330 meters per second. So here we want minimum wavelength. So for minimum wavelength is equal to speed of sound by maximum frequency gives minimum wavelength. So if we take maximum here, then we get minimum. If we take minimum frequency, then we get maximum frequency. Now substitute everywhere here, then we get 330 by, and maximum is 20 kilohertz. That is 20 into 10 cube. By simplifying this, we will get 0.0165 meters. Now similarly, we want maximum wavelength, that is equal to P by minimum frequency. Now substitute here 330 by, and minimum frequency is 20 Hz. So by simplifying this, we will get 16.5 meters. This is the minimum wavelength and this is the maximum length for the given problem. And this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.